Hello everyone, my name's Katie and we're here at the Cayuga Nature Center to tap some trees. So I've already identified my maple tree that I want to tap, and I've got my drill handy with a 7/16 inch drill bit. I've also marked my drill bit so that I know I'm not going into the tree over 1.5 inches. And when I drill into the tree, I want to make sure I'm going at an upward angle. So I've picked out my spot and we're ready to get started. Once I've got my hole in the tree, I'm going to take my spile, which is this little piece right here, and we're going to put that right into the hole. You want to make sure that this tongue is on the bottom, so that way the sap can drip out of it. Just going to put it right there, and then pound it in. If you have a rubber mallet, that's going to work best. Definitely gonna use the footage from that one. Once that's in, we're gonna place our hook around it and then place the bucket right underneath. Once that's on, all of the sap that's flowing out is going to go right into the bucket, and we're just going to make sure that there's a cap on top. That way, nothing can fall into the sap. Now it's all ready to go, and we'll empty these once a day, maybe even twice a day if the sap is flowing really well. Thanks for joining me.